Dear sir, would you say how to be a fluent speaker in English?
Well, to be a fluent speaker in English, I first of all focus on your listening skill. That means you have to listen a lot. If you have the proper input, if you listen to the different speakers, native speakers, even non-native good speakers, it doesn't mean that you have to always listen to the native speakers. There are lots of non-native speakers who speak good English.
Okay.
So you can listen to them. You can listen to different types of from different types of sources. For example,
So if I want to be a good speaker, at first I have to be a very good listener.
definitely, this is the number one priority.
This is number one suggestion. Second suggestion.
Then that was the input. You are listening,
Input.
and it will be continued. That doesn't mean that you
It's
start.
a continuous process.
It's a continuous process.
Okay.
Even if you can speak English, still you are listening. You have to listen. We are speaking in English. That doesn't mean that we have stopped listening. We are still listening from different sources, from news, from different other sources. Then you can just start speaking with someone if available. You can start speaking if you're a student. Then you have some classmates. You can start speaking with your classmates.
Your first suggestion is listening.
Listening.
Okay, from different sources.
Okay.
And second suggestion is speak in English with a partner.
With a partner. So
Third suggestion.
and which is very important, make mistakes.
Making mistakes.
Make mistakes.
You should welcome mistakes.
You should make mistakes, and you need to make mistakes.
Yes.
If you
Without
think,
mistake, you cannot learn English.
if you think
cannot
that
learn
okay,
any language.
okay, let me learn first. I gather all the knowledge. I become a fluent speaker in my just dream, and once I am very much prepared, in the fine morning, I will start speaking. That will not happen.
That is not possible.
That is not possible.
So, dear viewers, our professor said that if you follow 3 steps, you will be a fluent speaker in English. First, you have to listen a lot. Secondly, you have to speak with a partner. And thirdly, you have to welcome mistakes. I mean, you have to do mistakes always. This is how you will be a fluent speaker in English.